The realm of budget mechanical keyboards offers a surprising array of quality options, proving that you don't always have to shell out a fortune for a solid typing experience. Links to the mentioned products are given in the description below. Let's delve into the top 5 picks. Keychron K10. The Keychron K10 is a standout in the budget mechanical keyboard realm, offering a blend of affordability and functionality. Its wireless capabilities, allowing seamless connectivity to multiple devices via Bluetooth, make it a versatile option for those seeking flexibility in their setup. What's more, the impressive battery life ensures uninterrupted typing sessions, whether you're working at your desk or on the go. The tactile feedback from the Gateron G Pro switches adds to the typing experience, making each keystroke feel satisfying. While the keyboard boasts an ABS plastic build, it doesn't compromise on stability, with keys that feel robust under your fingertips. The inclusion of system-specific keycaps is a thoughtful touch, enhancing usability for users across different operating systems. Although it lacks dedicated software for customization, its versatility and budget-friendly price point more than make up for it. Royal KLUDGE RK61. The Royal KLUDGE RK61 stands out for its compact and portable design, making it an excellent choice for users with limited desk space or those who frequently travel. Despite its smaller footprint, it doesn't skimp on connectivity options, offering both Bluetooth and wired connectivity for added versatility. The lack of a function row and numpad may be a trade-off for some users, but the keyboard compensates with its solid build quality and multi-device pairing capabilities. Whether you're working from a coffee shop or switching between multiple devices at home, the RK61 delivers a reliable typing experience without breaking the bank. Razer Huntsman Mini. Designed with gamers in mind, the Razer Huntsman Mini packs a punch with its compact form factor and customizable features. The per-key RGB backlighting adds a touch of flair to your gaming setup, while the macro-programmable keys offer endless customization possibilities. Despite its diminutive size, the Huntsman Mini doesn't compromise on performance, with responsive, clicky optical switches providing tactile feedback with every keystroke. However, the lack of a wrist rest may deter users who prefer extended gaming sessions, and the compact layout might feel cramped for those with larger hands. Nevertheless, for gamers looking to maximize desk space and enhance their gaming experience, the Huntsman Mini offers a compelling blend of style and functionality at an affordable price point. Keychron V Series. The Keychron V Series keyboards cater to users seeking customization options and a tailored typing experience without breaking the bank. While they may lack the wireless capabilities of their K-series counterparts, they make up for it with their physical customizability. From various available switches to stabilizers and other internal components, users can personalize their keyboard to suit their unique preferences. The inclusion of PBT keycaps and sound-dampening foam enhances the typing experience, providing a satisfying feel with each keystroke. What's more, the VIA Companion software offers extensive customization options, allowing users to program macros, remap key assignments, and adjust RGB lighting effects to their liking. Despite the absence of a wrist rest, the V Series keyboards excel in office and programming environments, offering reliability and versatility at an affordable price point. Obinslab Anne Pro 2. The Obinslab Anne Pro 2 stands out as a compact yet powerful gaming keyboard, offering exceptional performance in a sleek and portable package. Its low latency and full RGB backlighting with individually lit keys make it a favorite among gamers seeking style and functionality. The Gateron brown switches provide tactile feedback without being overly loud, ensuring a satisfying typing experience for prolonged gaming sessions. While the lack of incline settings or an included wrist rest may cause fatigue during extended use, the Anne Pro 2 compensates with its sturdy build quality and wireless connectivity options. Whether you're gaming on the go or programming on multiple devices, this keyboard offers versatility and performance without breaking the bank. Links to the mentioned products are given in the description below. Thanks for watching.